Hello all, welcome to Edge with Low Band, the camera that thinks, and also neuromorphic Edge AI DVR multi-camera surveillance. Our basic idea here is to save the storage that the traditional CCTV records everything, right? The empty hallways, waving trees, cloud shadows, all of it eating storage. But our system only records when a real object or a person is detected. A person, a vehicle, a threat. No object, no recording. That cuts storage by up to 80%. Right? On cameras, you already own same hardware but smarter software. This is it. This is our complete idea. Right. So what I basically want to tell you is when there is, loitering happening in the given area, the entire FPS of the recording CCTV footage is dropped down, and only when there is some great event happening in the CCTV footage, the CCTV activates the 4K quality and it captures the moment at the 60 FPS. So this is our complete idea. Ashraf, would you switch on the cameras? So we have installed here two cameras. One we have carried out with the laptop camera, and the other one he is adding, that is a phone camera that he has set up at such an angle that he is not coming in the view. Now you can see that there is a wave that is coming, which is showing that we have got two cameras. One is for the laptop camera, and the other one is seeing the other angle. And now you can see that uh, Ashraf here, my friend. He is getting recognized by the OpenCV as person. You can also see the 95% trademark on him. And Ashraf, could you wave your hand for a second? Once he waves, our major USP, that is the unique selling point of this entire project. The uniqueness is the SNN strike. SNN is spiking neural network. As soon as he waves his hand, the camera notices, and every single moment of his is detected. If you can see over the right side, there is a box that says SNN spike train neural activity. Could you move your hand once again? Yeah. As soon as he waves his hand, the neural network is spikes up, and you can view it easily. Now the most unique feature that we have added is once the person moves from one window to the other, the FPS drops, and we have shown it in actual. Ashraf, could you move to the next screen? See, once he moves to the next screen, the FPS in the second screen increases and the FPS in the first screen decreases. You can see the dimness of the entire background that you can see, right? And as soon as he is moving the hand, the graph is visible on the right side. Once again, Ashraf, go back to the original setting. You will see that the FPS where Ashraf is present right now will increase, and subsequently the FPS in the other angle will decrease. Yes, that is it. And SLN bandwidth savings life, you can see here how much we are going to be saving every single second. Because let me tell you, this entire Indian CCTV industry is around 1.2 lakh crore, right? And per minute, this per GB, sorry, this entire thing, one camera takes around 8 rupees. And if we consider that for 1 year, that's an insanely huge amount, right? So we have to save this only by noticing the great activities that is actually happening in the footage. Otherwise, it's of no use, right? And this is our main USP, that we have to save the only required footages by using the SNN. The technologies that we have used are SNN, that is this striking, sparkling neural network, the OpenCV, which detects the movement of the person, the obstacle avoiding and obstacle detection model. And we have integrated the YOLO V8 and also other pre-trained models, so it can detect the things very accurately. And also, could you scroll down, Ashraf? We can also see the alerts that have been raised here, the event, idle, and normal. Could you scroll up? Scroll up, scroll up. Yeah, yeah. So we have set up some, parameters, like in case if the idle range, like the SNN range is uh, close to 30, like out of 100, on a scale of 100, if it is 30, then the case is idle. If it is to 60, then it is event. And if it is more than that, uh, then it is alert. Okay. Just go down. You can observe here that as soon as Ashraf, could you wave your hand? Could you scroll up, wave your hand, and come down? Yeah. He waves his hand and go down immediately. So you can see the live activity, that here what actually is happening. Camera input, right? Then immediately it is shifted to the SNN spike. Then YOLO V8 gets activated, then frame scorer, then anomaly detection, and the compressor, the forensic, and then the dashboard. Entire process. It's a lot to take in. This is what we have done. This is our USP. Firstly, the SNN is taken in hand when it detects if if there is any object of, is there any event is happening in the given camera frame. If there is any anomaly, it is detected, and then based on the event, if there is too much activity, then it shifts to the HD mode. Otherwise, it shifts back to the 30 FPS mode, which is a very low shooting mode, right? And the low shooting mode, suppose just imagine if a person is just sitting around and he is getting recorded, right? So it's just a waste footage, right? So in such case, that is, we consider it as a loitering case, and this loitering case, this footage is converted and it is compressed into a small format, because this is not important, right? Unless until there is any great event happening in the place, CCTV is used only in that period. So this helps us in saving the storage in every single go. And we have also the saved it to the dashboard. Uh, Ashraf, could you show us the dashboard, the database that we have created? If you can see here in the recorded clips, we have got every second's footage here, and the duration is also written. As soon as it downloads it, the footage is visible. See, it is fast forwarded because this is a compressed footage, right? Could you show some other footage, Ashraf? You can also see that this type of event is very normal. That means the SNN strike is normal. Okay. So to end this properly, let me tell you what we have included. We have included HNN, which is the most important thing. Then the OpenCV that detects your movement. Then we can go for the database. It saves every single bit of it when it is recording, when there is no event or loitering happening in the footage or in the right moment. Then the camera shifts to the 30 FPS. That is the low quality frame. And once there is high event occurring in the footage or in the CCTV real time, then it shifts to the high frequency or high recording stage, and therefore it records everything. And we have also included the ROI compression model with the help of WinRAR, and everything gets acclimatized to it. And let me tell you once again that we are a software, and we can fit our software into any traditional systems, such as the Hikvision and the Dahua are the two most market cap captured companies in the CCTV world, and we can easily fit our software into it. So this is a very scalable and understood, reasonable thing that we can offer to the world, saying that this software is the best one, and you don't have to replace anything at all in your hardware, and it's just putting a new software into your hardware. This is what we have deployed here, and thank you so much. We have put in everything in ours, and we have absolutely loved this project. Ashraf, would you like to say bye to? Bye bye. Thank you.